everyone, I'm Cuajotor, and for today's activity, the activity 3, which is the equipment and manipulations for filtration.
So we have 3 objectives of this activity. First is to determine adapters for filtering crucibles and to know what is filtration. Second, to demonstrate decantation, sedimentation, and filtration. Last is to know and to learn how to fold a filter paper.
Neoprene filter adapter. Neoprene filter adapter are designed to fit between a filtering funnel and a flask. It can also be used individually or nested with adjacent sizes. It eliminates the boring of rubber stoppers and the difficulties of inserting and removing glass stems in stoppers.
Filtration. Filtration is the process used to separate solids from liquids or gases using a filter that allows the fluid to pass through, but not the solid. The fluid that passes through the filter is called filtrate. Gravity filtration is the simplest form of filtration, and chemistry is used widely in chemical laboratories. In gravity filtration, the solid is trapped by the filter and the filter is collected through the funnel into the flask. Always remember that filtration always happens every day around the world. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. So in this video, we will learn on how to separate mud from muddy water by sedimentation and separation of clean water by decantation and filtration. Muddy water, it is a mixture of soil and water. Stir this mixture well and leave to settle. As you can see, the mud settles down at the bottom of the beaker by the process of sedimentation. Next, transfer the water at the top to settle the mud by tilting the beaker to another beaker. The water thus obtained is called decantate. Next is pour the decantate through the strainer, and this is called filtering. See the water obtained to the fine cloth, some mud deposited to the cloth, but the water obtained of the filtration still contains mud. A filter paper can separate the fine particles of mud from the water, has a smaller force than cloth. Folding filter paper. First, fold in half, just like how I illustrate. Next, fold in half again. And again. Next, open and fold one part. And that's it. So I conclude that filtration plays an important role in water treatment process because it is the process of separating solid particles from liquid particles. It may be done through a complicated process with various machine or equipment, but it may also be done in simple ways with the same bottom line. Through the experiment conducted, we learn how important filtration is because filtration is not only done to remove solid particles, but it contributes to the overall efficiency of water treatment process because it prevents clogging due to solid particles.